Ready for the point? Push off. Ready? Go! I got it. Watch out. Okay. Don't use your feet, please. Otherwise I'm going to go. Use your feet. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Use your feet. Try standing up this time, Josie. Are you sure I should do that? Are you sure I should do it?
I don't care.
What?
You're gonna fall.
I'm not doing that.
You have to practice on the flat first before you start standing up on it on the ramp. But you're gonna fall a lot before you get the hang of it.
I know. Says Betty Bocce does. Always
So do you like them?